Hello friends, in the previous lecture we are to discussing about the reduction reaction of the aldehydes and ketone, particularly Clemmensen reduction reactions and Wolff-Kishner reduction reactions are two important reactions are discussing about the last lecture. But today's lecture we are to discussing about the electrophilic substitution reactions. This electrophilic substitution reaction generally takes place at the aromatic aldehydes and aromatic ketones undergoes the electrophilic substitution reactions such as sulfonation reaction, nitration reaction, halogenation reaction. These are the example of the electrophilic substitution reaction of the particular aromatic aldehydes and ketones. Second important thing in this topic is the aldehydic and ketonic groups are observed electron withdrawing inductive effect means minus I effect and electron withdrawing resonating effects means minus R effect. In this way, these effects are observed in the aromatic aldehydes and aromatic ketone. In this way, deactivating the benzene ring at the ortho and para positions. The deactivating the ortho and para positions means only one side is deactivated like a meta position. The electrophilic substitution takes place at the meta position. The overall result is the formation of the meta product. Does not formation of the any para product or any ortho product does not take place in the electrophilic substitution reaction in the aldehydes and ketones. The overall product is formation at the meta position, means in short the aromatic aldehydes and aromatic ketones are meta directing product will be observed, means only meta product is observed in this type of the electrophilic substitution reaction. The four important points, like suppose that the aromatic aldehyde and ketones undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction such as nitration reaction, sulfonation reactions, and halogenation reaction. Such a type, these three example, nitration, sulfonations and halogenations are the example of electrophilic substitution reaction. Second important point is the aldehydic group and keto group shows electron withdrawing inductive effect means minus I effect and resonating effect means minus R effect. This type of the two effects are observed in the particularly aromatic aldehydes and aromatic ketone. Third important point is the deactivating deactivate the benzene ring at ortho and para position, ortho and para position. Fourth one is this result formation of meta product only, means meta directing product for example nitration reaction. Suppose that for example nitration reactions of benzaldehyde. This one is the benzaldehyde. They will be takes place. The reaction is concentrated nitric acid or concentrated H2SO4 to gives meta directing product. NO2 means this position is the meta position. This one is the ortho, this one is the ortho, this one is the meta, and this one is the para. This one is the meta position. In this way, this product is called as a meta nitro benzaldehyde. This type of the product generally observe. This I have to again revise the topic overall. The aromatic aldehydes in ketones undergoes the electrophilic substitution reactions such as nitration reaction, sulfonation reaction, halogenation reaction. Second important point in this topic is the aldehydic groups and ketonic groups shows the electron withdrawing inductive effect, means -I effect, and resonating effect means -R effect. Electron withdrawing resonating effects means -R effect. Such types of the effects are deactivate the benzene ring at the ortho and para position. In this way, at the overall result is the formation of meta product only, means overall means meta directing product will be observed when the aldehydes and ketonic groups are observed in the aromatic rings like benzene rings, and such types of the reactions are takes place. For example, nitration reaction of benzaldehyde. Suppose that nitrating mixtures like HNO3 and H2SO4, con HNO3 and con H2SO4 react with the benzaldehyde. This overall reaction is called as a nitration reactions, and the meta position the introduce the NO2 groups, means here it is the hydrogen is substituted at the they will be NO2 is they will be take this place, and in this way meta position are only product and does not form any ortho and para product. In this type of the product is called as a meta directing product. Another example such as suppose that acetophenone. Suppose that second example, of the nitration reaction is, suppose that this one is the acetophenone. This acetophenone also undergoes the electrophilic substitution reactions like nitration reactions. Here it is the electrophile is NO2 plus. This one is the electrophile. These electrophiles are this pi electron density, they will be attached here, and substitution reaction takes place at the meta positions only. because these groups are electron withdrawing group, because these groups are electron withdrawing group. In this way, the product observe meta positions only. The overall name is meta nitro acetophenol. These two examples, first one is the benzaldehyde, takes place, goes to the nitration reaction, gives only meta product. Also ketonic group like acetophenone, these ketones are also react with the nitrating mixtures, then gives the meta product only. Here it is the overall product is the meta directing products. The next topic is the acidic characters of the carboxylic acid. Acidic characters of the carboxylic acid. Next topic is the acidic characters of the carboxylic acid. In the acidic character of the carboxylic acid is some important point like the carboxylic group like dash COOH group impart acidic character to the carboxylic acid, means this carboxylic groups are responsible for the acidic characters for the carboxylic acid. Second thing is the carboxylic group या carbonyl group, carboxylic groups is made from hydroxyl group bonded to the carbonyl group. The hydroxyl groups and carbonyl groups are bonded to each other, then gives this group like a dash COOH group. Third important point, in the aqueous solution of the hydrogen atom in the hydroxyl groups of the carboxylic group is dissociated as H plus N dash COO minus, means H plus ions and carboxylate ions are formed after the dissociation of this carboxylic group. They gives the H plus N dash COOH minus ions is formed. They will be called as a conjugated base. For example, suppose that this is the acid, carboxylic acid. These carboxylic acid are in aqueous solution, they will be hydrolyzed or dissociated. This hydroxyl group in which these hydrogens and this oxygen in which the bond is dissociated. The bond is dissociated, then gives RC double bond O minus, means carboxylate ion plus H3O plus. This protons, this hydrogen goes to this water molecule and water molecule is converted into the H3O plus. The overall is called as a conjugated base. And fourth important one is the carboxylate ions is resonance stabilized structure as shown below. This carboxylate ion, they will be shows the resonating stabilization structures. Like first structure is, suppose that R C double bond O minus, this minus charge are delocalized. This electron density goes here and this pi electrons are goes into the oxygen and they will be acquire the negative charge and gives the next structures. The next structure is denoted by double-headed arrow. This double-headed arrow used when they will be shows the resonating structures. Then give the next structure is this minus charge, they will be shifted here, the minus charge here, and double bond is shifted here. Then C double bond O here, and upper side is the carbon oxygen single bond and negative charge. This both the first structure and second structures are different structures. They will be, these structures are called as a resonating structures, and these both the first structure and second structures are commonly shows like the hybrid structure or resonance hybrid. Suppose that R C double bond O C double bond and C double bond, here it is also, means this electron density, this negative charge are continuously delocalized to this oxygen to this oxygen. In this way they will be shown by dotted line, and this type of the structure is called as a resonance hybrids. Both the structures means first structure, second structure and third structure means resonating hybrid structure. The resonating structure of first and second and both the forms of the resonating structures are equivalent to each others. Both the structures are equivalent. This good resonating stabilization of carboxylate ions, which turn gives the acidic character to carboxylic acid. This one is the good resonating structure. More resonating structure in the carboxylic acid, more is the acidic character they will be shows. And this topic is the very simple topics. The acidic character of the carboxylic acid, the acidic character due to present at the carboxylic group, in the carboxylic group in which the particular hydroxyl group bonded to the carbonyl group, and the hydroxyl group in which oxygen and hydrogen bond are dissociated in the aqueous solutions and gives the H plus ion and carboxylate ions. Two ions are observed, and these carboxylate ions are well stabilized to give the two resonating forms, and another one is the resonating hybrids. Both the structures are shows the equivalent to each other, and this type of the stabilization observed in the carboxylate acid. In this way they are shows the acidic character of the carboxylic acid. Remaining topics they will be discussing about the next lecture. Goodbye. Next topic is the influence of the electronic effect on the acidity of carboxylic acid. Means effect of the acidity of carboxylic acid. Which factor is the responsible for the influence of the acidity of carboxylic acid? Show one by one this point. The first point is all the carboxylic acid do not have same pKa values. pKa value and Ka value they will be already discussing about the 11th science. Here it is does not study the what is mean by pKa, what is mean by Ka. They will be already studied in the 11th science. Here it is the all the carboxylic acid do not have same pKa values. It is first important point. Second important point is the structure of R means any alkyl group they will be attached to the carboxylic group, means RCOOH has influence on the acidic strength of the carboxylic acid. Means these R groups are responsible for the influence of the acidity of carboxylic acid. The nature of the R's will be important are in the acidic character of the carboxylic acid. The various haloacetic acid shows in the point very well in this table. Show this table. The table name is the pKa value of the haloacetic acid. Both the acetic acid in the form of halo means halogens. Different types of the halogen attached to the acetic acid. Then which type of the pKa value they will be shows, and which factor will be affected on the pKa values. Suppose that first acetic acid means haloacetic acid is the fluoroacetic acid. Second one is the chloroacetic acid, bromoacetic acid, iodoacetic acid, and fifth one is the simple acetic acid. This first column they will be shows the different types of the haloacid, and one is the simple acetic acid. The pKa value of both the acid they will be shows in the second column. The pKa value first fluoroacetic acid is the 2.56, chloroacetic acid is the 2.86, bromoacetic acid is the 2.90, iodoacetic acid is the 3.18, and fifth one is the simple acetic acid, means alkyl group attached the acetic acid in which the 4.76. This type of the difference values they will be shows. Why it is the different value is this shows? They will be depending upon the electronegativity of this haloacid. The more electronegative haloacid they will be shows the smaller pKa value. Suppose that fluorine is the more electronegative as compared to chlorine, as compared to bromine, as compared to iodine, and as compared to this methyl group is also. In this way Greater is the electronegativity, smaller is the pKa value. This type of the arrangement they will be observed. Here it is the most electronegative is the fluorine. In this way the value is 2.56. Here second most electronegative is chloro, in which they will be 2.86. Third most electronegative means bromo, 2.90, and fourth most electronegative is 3.18. Here this halo acid, in which the most electronegative is fluorine. In this way they will be shows the smaller pKa values. And last one is the R group, means any alkyl group means R group, they will be shows less electronegative as compared to halo. In this way they will be shows the larger pKa value like 4.76. The overall conclusion is the acidic strength. The pKa value is increases, the acidic strength is also increases. pKa value is increases, acidic strength is the acidic strength is the pKa value is increases but acidic strength is decreases. This arrow they will be goes to the down direction, they will be decreasing direction. Here it is the this table is the indicate the higher is the pKa value, acidic strength is lower, means lower is the acid, means smaller is the pKa value, stronger is the acid, and higher is the pKa value, weaker is the acid. This table they will be indicate this. Second, fourth important point is the halogen exert the electron withdrawing inductive effect. This halogen they will be shows the electron withdrawing, means this electron in the bond they will be pull up on the direction of the halogen atom. In this way they will be shows the minus I effect. Minus I effect means electron withdrawing inductive effect. Fifth important point is due to minus I effect, the negative charge on the carboxylate ions stabilized by minus I effect of the halogens. The minus I effect they will be shows in the acid carboxylate ion. This negative charge is stabilized due to this minus I effect of the halogens. Sixth important point is the which is the responsible to diffuse the native charge. This native charge is they will be goes to directions on the halogen atoms. In this way this electron, this electron, this electron, this pi electrons, and in this bonding electron they will be pull up on the directions of these halogens, and this is the responsible for this halogen group, and this halogen group will be pull up the electrons on towards. This type of the overall effect is called as a electron withdrawing inductive effect, means minus I effect. The higher the electronegativity of halogen, greater is the stabilization of conjugated base. This conjugated base is the, suppose that higher electronegativity of the halogens, they will be strongly interact the electron on the towards. In this way they will be conjugated base is the greater is the stabilized, and greater is the stabilized they will be stronger is the acid. Eighth one, next point is the stronger is the acid and smaller is the pKa value, means smaller is the pKa value, stronger is the acid. The remaining point they will be shows this same meaning but a different way to indicate. 9th point is the higher Ka value, not a pKa, higher the Ka value and lower the pKa value, stronger is the acid. This is the very important point. 10th one is the opposite of this point. Lower is the Ka values, higher is the pKa values, weaker is the acid. Means overall in this topic is the in one sentence they will be explained like smaller is the pKa value, stronger is the acid. Larger or higher is the pKa value, weaker is the acid. This is the two important conclusion of this topic is this one. 9th and 10th point are conclusion of this topic. You have to read carefully and remind this two important point in this notable point here, and this topic is the over here the influence of the electronic effect on the acidity of carboxylic acid. Remaining topics will be this chapter will be discussing about the next lecture. Goodbye.